Welcome to Calmactiva. In this video, we explore the endocannabinoid system, ECS, a vital network that helps maintain balance in our bodies. Discover its components and how it impacts your health. I've always been fascinated by the hidden systems within our bodies, and today, I'm going to share with you one of the most intriguing, the endocannabinoid system. Now you might be wondering, wait, did he just say cannabis? Well, sort of. Your body has its own cannabis-like system, and it's been working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you in balance. It's called the endocannabinoid system, or ECS for short. This complex network of receptors, molecules, and enzymes plays a crucial role in regulating various physiological processes in our bodies. It's like a hidden conductor, orchestrating a symphony of biological functions to maintain homeostasis. But what's really interesting is that this system wasn't discovered until the 1990s. That's right, we've been walking around with this intricate biological network our entire lives, and we had no idea it existed until just a few decades ago. The discovery of the ECS has opened up a whole new world of understanding about how our bodies function and maintain balance. Let's break this down. The endocannabinoid system is like a vast communication network spread throughout your entire body. It's made up of three main components: endocannabinoids, receptors, and enzymes. Now you might be thinking, endo what? Don't worry, I'll explain. Endocannabinoids are molecules that your body produces naturally. They're similar to the compounds found in cannabis plants, hence the name. But what's fascinating is that your body makes these on its own, without any need for external cannabis. These little molecules act as messengers, carrying important signals throughout your body. The receptors, on the other hand, are like specialized docking stations scattered all over your body, waiting to receive these endocannabinoid messages. There are two main types: CB1 receptors, which are mostly found in your brain and central nervous system, and CB2 receptors, which are more common in your peripheral nervous system and immune cells. When an endocannabinoid binds to a receptor, it triggers a specific reaction in the cell. It's like a key fitting into a lock and turning it. Finally, we have the enzymes. These are the cleanup crew of the ECS. They break down the endocannabinoids once they've done their job, ensuring that the signals don't stick around longer than they're needed. Now that we've got the basics down, let's explore how this system actually works. The endocannabinoid system is like a finely tuned machine, with each component playing a crucial role. First up, we have the endocannabinoids themselves. The two main players are anandamide, AEA, and 2-arachidinoyl-glycerol, 2AG. Don't worry about pronouncing those, even I struggle sometimes. Anandamide, interestingly, gets its name from the Sanskrit word for bliss. It's often called the bliss molecule, because it can produce a sense of happiness and well-being. 2AG, on the other hand, is involved in a wide range of physiological processes, including immune function and inflammation. These endocannabinoids are produced on demand by your body, meaning they're synthesized exactly when and where they're needed. It's like your body has its own just-in-time production system. Now let's talk about those receptors. CB1 receptors, found mainly in the brain and central nervous system, are involved in things like memory, mood, and pain sensation. CB2 receptors, more common in the immune system, play a role in inflammation and immune response. But these receptors aren't just sitting there waiting for endocannabinoids. They can also interact with plant-based cannabinoids like THC from cannabis. So, we've seen how the endocannabinoid system works when everything's running smoothly. But what happens when things go wrong? This is where things get really interesting. It turns out that many health conditions might be linked to problems with the ECS. Take chronic pain, for example. Research suggests that people with chronic pain might have an endocannabinoid deficiency. It's like their body's natural pain relief system isn't producing enough endocannabinoids. This has led to some fascinating research into using cannabinoids to treat pain. But it's not just pain. The ECS has been implicated in a whole range of conditions, from mood disorders like anxiety and depression to neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's. Some researchers even think that certain types of epilepsy might be linked to ECS dysfunction. Now you might be wondering, if the ECS is so important, why don't we hear more about it? Well, that's a great question. The truth is, we're still in the early stages of understanding the system. It's like we've discovered a new continent, and we're just starting to map it out. But the potential implications are huge. Understanding the ECS could lead to new treatments for a wide range of conditions. As we wrap up our journey through the endocannabinoid system, I can't help but feel a sense of awe at the complexity of our bodies. We've only scratched the surface of what the ECS does and how it works, but already it's clear that this system is crucial to our health and well-being. The potential implications are staggering. From new treatments for chronic pain and mental health disorders to potential breakthroughs in neurodegenerative diseases, the ECS could revolutionize medicine as we know it. But we're still in the early stages of this journey. There's so much more to learn, so many questions still to answer. What other conditions might be linked to ECS dysfunction? How can we safely and effectively modulate the ECS to treat diseases? And what other surprises might this fascinating system have in store for us? These are the questions that researchers around the world are working to answer. And who knows? The next big breakthrough could be just around the corner. So, the next time you hear about cannabis or cannabinoids in the news, remember, it's not just about getting high. It's about a fundamental system in your body that's working tirelessly to keep you in balance. At Calmactiva, we pride ourselves on being a leader in the field of wellness and holistic health within the EU and globally. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and evidence-based practices sets us apart. With a team of dedicated experts and a passion for enhancing well-being, we have earned recognition as a top company worldwide. Join us on our mission to promote health and balance and experience the Calmactiva difference for yourself. Thank you for choosing Calmactiva. We appreciate your trust in us. Enjoy exploring our online store, where you'll find premium products designed to enhance your well-being.